Data Loader is a tool that can help you with any kind of data manipulation in your dot. You can download the Data Loader from the Setup menu, Data Management, and Data Loader. If you happen to use a Mac, then you can download a tool called Lexi Loader. It is a Mac version of the same tool. Just search for it on the web and you should be able to find it. Let me open the tool. The UI of the Data Loader is very similar to that of the import wizard. You can use this tool to insert, update, upsert, delete, and even export data. Upsert is a combination of both insert and update operations. Since Data Loader is an external tool, it will connect to Salesforce instance through an API. We always need a security token while accessing the API. How to get one? After login, you can navigate to your personal preferences and generate a security token. This will be emailed to you. I just received an email with the security token. Just to give you an overview of how to use the Data Loader, let me insert a couple of records into the candidate object. I have few candidate records in the sample file.csv. To log in, you need to pass in your Salesforce username and password appended with the security token. It would have been easier if it was mentioned somewhere on this tool. I choose to insert records, select the object, select the CSV file, then I can do the mapping. I can use the auto mapping feature. This will quickly map fields on the import file to the candidate object. The system prompts me to choose a location where it will store the log file. I'll save it on the desktop. This file will be useful to debug if something goes wrong during the data load. Looks like the records were successfully inserted. You'll find the same in the log file. I also want to show you how to delete records using this tool. I'll try to delete the same set of records that I've just inserted. To delete records, you need to first export the records that you want to delete to a CSV file. Records from the candidate object. I'll call this export.csv. Apply the filters for the data that needs to be exported. I'll choose created date equals current date and export them. As I mentioned earlier, the Data Loader always gives out an 18-digit ID. Now, to delete records, I can click on Delete, show the path to the file that contains IDs for all the records that need to be deleted. Then I can do the mapping. All done. I was able to easily insert and delete records using this tool. This tool really comes in handy for any data manipulation activity.